might not know me. I understand. I got you. But anyways, my name is Lynnijah, and I have a hot new story for you today. It will fill your story hunger, and I will serve it on a golden dinner platter. Did you guess my topic? If not, well, okay, I'll just tell you that. So, my topic is your favorite food and what food-based TV shows you like to watch. So let's get into that video.
What's my favorite food? I like burgers. I've never had a bad burger. Burgers are just really good.
My favorite food is probably fettuccine and Alfredo, and my favorite show is Nailed It.
Yeah, my favorite cooking show is Nailed It or MasterChef.
Yeah, it's pretty funny.
Candy, what is your favorite food?
Wow, thanks for asking. Well, I just love all kinds of foods. I don't really have a favorite. One thing I do very much enjoy is a charcuterie platter, and what that means is it usually has pate, cured meats, fancy cheeses, really good bread, fun spreads like fig jam. Yes, I definitely enjoy that quite a bit.
What is your favorite food-based TV show to watch?
I watch loads of cooking shows. I love MasterChef, Top Chef, MasterChef Junior. I like to watch all the holiday baking shows, and I'm just so impressed at the level of skill and talent that those people have. So sometimes it inspires me, and other times it's like watching the Olympics. There's no way I'd be able to do that, but it's always really fun to watch those.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I asked 8 people what's their favorite food-based TV shows. Here are their answers. I asked 8 people what's their favorite food. Here are the answers.